plaque. You can stop the vid if you want to read this, but I'm trying to see where that is over there. But this is a close-up picture, so I have to go down on the trail and see what the deal is here. All right, I'm trying to see what I saw in that picture out in the parking lot, but this trail that I'm on is the climbing trail. It means if you want to climb the rocks, you follow this trail, because you see a lot of these signs here that says climbing access trail, stay on designated trails. Well, there's a lot of these signs, but I don't want to climb. Here's our old buddy Cactus again here. So I don't know where the trail goes. All right, I'm still on the Oyster Bar trail or whatever. I don't know. These rocks here, I guess you want to climb. I don't see any climbers up there. Oh, there's a couple kids up there. So all right, keep a couple more Joshuas here. All right, still on the trail. Well, you know, this morning I put a bunch of suntan lotion on my face because the sun was out. It was warmer. It's all gone, the sun that is. And I know you can still get sunburn on a cloudy day, but yeah, not as much. But those rocks now are looking like the rocks in the scene in the picture. So I guess the picture was right. We're going to get in closer. Okay, yeah, this now matches what was on that picture we saw in the parking lot, because there's that big round one. Then they talked about those other rocks up there, and they pointed to different things. So this is it, and there's a trail. Maybe you can walk around. We get a little tired, but I'm going to press on though. All right, decisions. It says climbing access trail, which I'm not going to climb. That way it says the Heart of Darkness target rock. Ooh. And the left says the Oyster Bar, which is what the sign at the turnoff said. Split personality rock, Agent Orange. Ooh. It's probably, the rock is probably an orange color and it's got a split in it. But we think we're going to take the left one here, going this way. All right, where's the trail? I don't know. Going to keep going. Well, I don't know if this is the split rock and Agent Orange or whatever. It's a bunch of rocks. Look at that rock there. It's got all these little dugout things or whatever. I got this slab here and all these other rocks, like, you know, just sitting out there. The smaller ones could fall maybe. I don't know. But it's so hard to see where the trail goes because there's multiple trails here. I don't know which way to go. I'm going to go back down here, see if I can pick up the trail here. This kind of looks like some sort of a trail. Seems to have been disturbed recently. And we still got the rocks off to our right. And I thought it would bring us in closer to the rocks over there. So I don't know where I'm going. Where that split rock and Agent Orange. Give me a marker or something that tells me where these things are here. Might be a little bit of a help. There's the kids out here wandering. And this looks like a trail, doesn't it? Right? Yeah. Well, there could be 100 trails here. I don't know. I'm looking. Oh, I see some orange up there on the side of that rock. That might be Agent Orange. All right. The ground is sloping up here, so taking it a little slower. I think this might be the last hike today, but still looking for that orange thing up there. I don't know how much closer I'm going to get. This might be it. I'll go a little bit further here, see how far picking them up and putting them down is going to take me here, as there's an incline. It's a little more rocky here, so not a nice trail like it was down lower. And we got a cactus here and a little obstacle here. All right, take a little rest. Well, I think this is it. Got as close can be. Like I said, I don't know if I'm pointing to the right spot. See that iron stuff that drips down from the rainwater that made that kind of orange. So maybe that's Agent Orange. Okay, don't see any placards or anything here. Don't see any climbers. But if you didn't want to climb, a lot of loose rocks there. The big ones are pretty good. And back down here, you can see back down lower, way out there, you can see the road. So yeah, I am up here a little higher here, but yeah, we'll take a little panorama here and take a look-see. Oh, a little sun coming out, a little sun there, just for a couple of seconds there. And yeah, so the road comes down there, up down there, goes down there. What time is it? It's 1:30. By the time we get back down, it'll be almost 2 o'clock. By the time I get back to my room, 2:30. And we'll see. Maybe I might make one more stop, but get a little tired. I want to go back to the room and rest and pick up another map because I ripped mine, and plan out the day tomorrow a little bit better now that I've driven through the park and I kind of know the different things here. So, all right, heading back down. Let's go. Yeah, way out there on the other side of the road. I'm still heading back to the parking lot here, but you can see, like in between here on the other side of the road, another outcropping of rocks there. So if you're interested in rocks, yeah, a lot of rocks here, a lot of rocks. You want to go climbing on? Yeah, you climb to your heart's content. A little bit of sun trying to poke out every few minutes here. So just as I think I'm going to be leaving, maybe the sun's going to come out. I don't know. All right, back on the trail here. Well, not far from the parking lot now. It's right down here. You can see a vehicle in the parking lot. So the trail's well marked here. So, and plus you can see the cars on the road. So you're not going to get lost here, even if you take, you know, other side trails or anything. So you should be okay. All right, let's get back down to the car. Well, heading back out of the park. Going to go back to my room. We still got a distance to go in the park here. But I think I've had enough hiking for today, even though now a lot of the little turnoffs and parking lots have a lot less cars in them. So if you're worried about getting parking spots, come in the afternoon. And but I'm a little tired, and like I said, back to the room. I got a nice IPA waiting for me in the fridge there to relax, catch up on the news and the weather, and look at some of my photos, check my email, etc., etc. here. So, all right, yeah, we're going down. Let you have a look at the park here. Like I said, not sunny here, and little windy trails, lots of little rocks here and everything. Got to hold the camera here so you can see a little bit better, shooting through the windshield here. And they got to keep within the speed limit here. And when you get a National Park speeding ticket here or whatever, a lot of the Joshua trees there. All right, let's concentrate on the driving.